Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home garden decor and design. Today, we ascend to the often underutilized spaces atop our dwellings to explore the captivating world of small roof garden design. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. For those seeking a verdant escape amidst the urban landscape, or simply wishing to maximize every available inch of their property, a thoughtfully designed small roof garden presents an exceptional opportunity. Let us delve into the intricacies of this increasingly popular and remarkably rewarding endeavor. To initiate our exploration, it is crucial to establish a clear understanding of what exactly constitutes a small roof garden design. Fundamentally, a small roof garden design refers to the art and science of cultivating plants and creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing green space on a rooftop area that is limited in size. This could encompass a compact terrace atop an apartment building, the flat roof of a townhouse extension, or even a portion of a larger roof designated for horticultural purposes. Unlike expansive rooftop landscapes, small roof gardens necessitate careful planning and ingenious utilization of space. Every element, from the selection of lightweight containers and furniture to the strategic placement of plants, must be considered to maximize visual impact and functionality within the spatial constraints. The essence of small roof garden design lies in its ability to transform a potentially barren or underutilized area into a vibrant living extension of one's home, offering a connection with nature in an otherwise built environment. It is about creating a miniature ecosystem, a personal sanctuary elevated above the everyday bustle. Now that we have defined our subject, let us consider the compelling advantages that accompany the creation of a small roof garden design. The benefits extend far beyond mere aesthetics, offering a multitude of ecological, economic, and personal rewards. Firstly, roof gardens, regardless of their size, contribute significantly to environmental sustainability. They help to mitigate the urban heat island effect by absorbing solar radiation and releasing moisture through evapotranspiration, thus cooling the surrounding air. Furthermore, the vegetation can absorb rainwater runoff, reducing the burden on drainage systems and minimizing the risk of flooding. These green spaces also play a vital role in improving air quality by filtering pollutants and releasing oxygen. Beyond the environmental impact, small roof gardens offer tangible economics benefits. They can enhance the insulation of the building, leading to reduced energy consumption for heating and cooling. Moreover, a well-designed roof garden can significantly increase the property value, adding a unique and desirable feature. On a personal level, the presence of a small roof garden fosters a connection with nature, providing a tranquil outdoor space for relaxation, contemplation, and even light gardening activities. It offers an opportunity to cultivate one's own herbs, vegetables, or flowers, promoting a sense of well-being and accomplishment. The visual appeal of a flourishing garden can also enhance the aesthetic quality of the living space, providing a pleasant view and a sense of escape from the concrete jungle. In essence, a small roof garden is an investment in both the environment and personal quality of life. How to decorate my small roof garden. Designed to look beautiful. Transforming a small rooftop into a visually stunning garden requires a thoughtful approach to decoration. The key is to maximize the available space while creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Verticality is your ally. In limited spaces, think upwards. Utilize vertical gardening solutions such as wall-mounted planters, tiered shelves, and climbing plants on trellises or pergolas. This not only saves valuable floor space, but also adds visual interest and dimension. 2. Zoning for functionality. Even in a small area, define distinct zones for different purposes. You might have a seating area for relaxation, a dining nook, and a planting zone. Use rugs, changes in flooring material, or if feasible, or even the arrangement of furniture to delineate these spaces. 3. Comfortable and space-saving furniture. Opt for lightweight and foldable furniture that can be easily moved or stored when not in use. Consider built-in seating along the perimeter to maximize space efficiency. Weather-resistant materials are essential for longevity. 4. Strategic use of color. Introduce color through flowering plants, painted pots, and outdoor textiles like cushions and throws. Bright colors can make a small space feel more vibrant and open, while cooler tones can create a sense of serenity. 5. Illumination for ambiance. Outdoor lighting can dramatically transform your roof garden, especially in the evenings. Consider string lights, lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights to highlight architectural features or specific plants. Solar-powered options are energy efficient and easy to install. 6. Mirrors to create illusion. Similar to interior design, mirrors can be used in a small roof garden to create the illusion of more space and reflect light, making the area feel brighter and larger. Ensure they are securely mounted and made for outdoor use. 7. Water features for tranquility. Even a small water feature, such as a wall-mounted fountain or a container pond, can add a soothing element and attract beneficial insects. The sound of trickling water can also help to mask urban noise. 8. Personal touches and accessories. Incorporate decorative elements that reflect your personal style, such as sculptures, wind chimes, or unique planters. These small details can add character and make the space feel more personal. 9. Flooring considerations. If the existing rooftop surface is unappealing, consider adding outdoor rugs, interlocking tiles, or even a layer of gravel or decking to define the space and enhance its aesthetic appeal. 10. Maintain a sense of order. In a small space, clutter can quickly make the area feel cramped. Regularly prune plants, organize your tools, and keep the space tidy to maintain a sense of spaciousness and beauty. What the best plants for small roof garden design? Selecting the right plants is paramount for a thriving and visually appealing small roof garden. Several factors must be considered, including the amount of sunlight the roof receives, wind exposure, weight limitations especially for container gardening, and your desired aesthetic. Here are some excellent plant choices for small roof gardens. 1. Succulents and sedums. These are incredibly resilient, drought-tolerant, and come in a wide variety of shapes, colors, and textures. They are ideal for sunny, exposed rooftops and require minimal watering. Examples include sedum album or white stone crop, sempervivum, tectorum, or hen and chicks, and various echeveria species. 2. Ornamental grasses. Many compact ornamental grasses add movement, texture, and visual interest without becoming overly large. Consider varieties like Festuca glauca or blue fescue, Carex oshamensis evergold or evergold sedge, and smaller cultivars of Miscanthus sinensis or Chinese silvergrass. 3. Dwarf shrubs. Select compact shrub varieties that won't outgrow their containers. Options include dwarf conifers like Juniperus procumbens nana or dwarf Japanese garden juniper, small rhododendrons, and dwarf butterfly bushes or buddleia. 4. Herbs. Many herbs thrive in containers and offer both culinary and aromatic benefits. Consider rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil, mint, or grown in its own container to prevent spreading, and chives. 5. Compact vegetables. If you're interested in edible gardening, choose compact vegetable varieties like bush tomatoes, patio peppers, dwarf beans, and salad greens that can be grown successfully in containers. 6. Flowering annuals and perennials. Add pops of color, with annuals like petunias, geraniums, and marigolds, which bloom throughout the season. For perennials that return year after year, consider lavender, salvia, and smaller varieties of echinacea or coneflower. 7. Climbing plants or with support. Train climbing plants like clematis, passionflower, or climbing roses on trellises or walls to add vertical interest and create a lush backdrop without taking up valuable floor space. Choose non-aggressive climbers suitable for containers. 8. Small trees or in large containers. With careful selection and sufficiently large, sturdy containers, you can even grow small trees like Japanese maples or dwarf varieties, citrus trees, or olive trees. Ensure the containers provide adequate drainage and stability. 9. Ground covers. Low-growing ground covers like creeping thyme or chamomile can be used to soften edges, fill in gaps between containers, and even release pleasant fragrances when walked upon. 10. Pollinator-friendly plants. Choose a variety of plants that attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects to create a vibrant and ecologically friendly roof garden. Consider plants like lavender, bee balm, or monarda, and various wildflowers. As we conclude our exploration into the captivating realm of small roof garden design, it becomes evident that even the most limited rooftop space holds immense potential for transformation. By embracing clever design strategies and selecting appropriate plant life, you can cultivate a personal oasis that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property, but also provides a multitude of environmental and personal benefits. The journey of creating your own verdant escape above is a rewarding one, offering a daily connection with nature amidst the urban landscape. We encourage you, our valued viewers, to embark on your own small roof garden design journey. Share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you may have in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and expert advice on transforming your outdoor spaces. Until our next verdant adventure, happy gardening. Decor.